to the final session of art journaling. So this week it's all about making it aesthetically pleasing and bringing everything together that we've been doing in the last few weeks. So during the last few weeks we've looked at typography and positive affirmations. We've looked at pockets and making envelopes in the base of a journal. So we've created 3 different types of journals. And we've also looked at mood trackers and colours as well. So this week really it's just about decorating and finishing off those journals. So you can see here I've used a variety of different techniques and different collage based ways to bring things together visually in my accordion journal. So I'm going to just demonstrate some really simple ways now of how to create some prints at home using everyday materials and then just thinking about collage and bringing that journal together as a final piece. And this is really great to just look back on in the years to come, or you can add bits into it, and you can use this however you feel is best and right for you. So for some really simple printmaking at home, I'm going to use bubble wrap, an old toilet roll and some cotton buds to create some really beautiful effects in the journal. So all I'm going to do to start with is I'm going to add some paint to these objects and use them in my journal. So I'm going to do the toilet roll one first. This is really simple. Just add a bit of paint on the outside of your toilet roll. And then you can print directly into your journal, like so. And as you can see, it creates a really beautiful mark in the journal and just adds a different dimension and a different level of print to your journal. So the next one I'm going to do, I'm going to use a cotton bud. I'm going to just dip that in the paint. And you can also incorporate that into a mandala or Zentangle that we did a few weeks ago. And the last one that I'm going to demonstrate is the bubble wrap. So this is my favourite. I think it works really, really lovely. So just cover that bubble wrap in paint. Like so. And I'm going to do it on this love page because I think it'll look good on there. I'm going to just put it over, give it a bit of a rub, and then lift it up. And there you have it, a really beautiful bubble print. So these are just 3 different techniques that you can do at home, dead easy, and just add some more pattern and beauty to your journals. So that's the bubble wrap, a toilet roll, and then we've also got here the cotton bud. So these are the materials that I'm going to use for collage, but you can use anything really that you can get your hands on. So things like stamps, old tickets, maps, napkins, old pieces of paper, old books, that type of thing. So the things I'm going to use today for my collage are an old piece of pattern paper, some stamps, a button, needle and thread, a feather and some washi tape. So what I would say about collage is don't really overthink it, just go for it. And it's just all about losing yourself in the decorative aesthetic pleasures of collage. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to start on my front cover, and I'm going to write Be You, because I feel like my whole journal's all about me. So there you have it. That says Be You. So that's one of my, that's my front page. I've got some little stickers here that I'm going to add on. So these are just little kisses. I've got a button here which I think would look really lovely up here. So I'm going to just stitch that onto my book. Just double check what's on the other side before you do any stitching, because obviously you're going to go through to another journal page. I'm going to add a feather on here as well with my leaf, because I love going for walks. That just reminds me of the outdoors. And then I'm going to add some strips of hearts in here as well onto this page, just because it's looking a bit bare. So what I'm going to do actually, I'm going to rip these. I'm going to stick those on to here. I've got another piece here that says, "Where wishes come true." So the great thing about collage, you can just keep going and keep going until you're happy with it. Just going to draw some little hearts on it in gold pen, just to bring it all together. So there you have it. Just continue until you're completely happy with your journal and collage until your heart is content. They're just really nice to look back on a period of time and a period of your life, and they really do help your mental health and well-being. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the whole art journaling process. Thank you.